Hello, my name is Hypeschots, and on Thursday, May 13th, I'm doing a tutorial for Eurostar Summer Series together with Martijn Langhorst, my colleague. Our tutorial answers the toughest question there is for software testers. How should we test this? So, are you concerned that you don't find the problems that really matter? Or do you skip thinking about risks and test strategy because your sprints are too short or you can't find the time? Do you struggle with motivating other people to participate in your risk analysis or to look at your test strategy? Then this is the tutorial for you. Together, we're going to answer this tough question: how should we test this? We'll look into thinking skills. We use powerful heuristics. We're gonna do thorough but practical risk analysis. And we'll learn you how to create useful test strategy really fast. So join us on this interactive day where you will work in groups on exercises and use real software. You will be evaluating context. You will model products and you'll do risk analysis and create test strategies together with your group, and we'll debrief them so we'll learn it. It's a fast-paced, interactive tutorial, a full day full of fun and learning. So join us Thursday, May 13th, Eurostar Summer Series. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.